Welcome to another insightful training video brought to you by the folks at Sundog. Today we're going to talk about when I'm remote, how do I get access to the Microsoft 365 suite of applications, from email to Microsoft Teams, and what if I wanted to download the full version of Microsoft Office on the computer that I'm at while I'm working remotely. Super easy. First thing we do is just open up a web browser. Any web browser will do. I prefer the latest version of Microsoft Edge. And the address that we're going to go to is just portal.office.com. Now be sure, don't go to www. This is just portal.office.com. And it'll bring you right to a login screen. You'll go ahead and put in your email address, so I'll go ahead and put in mine. And then this is important. I need you to click on work or school account because this is a work account. It's not home, it's not personal. So go ahead and click on work or school account. And then let's enter our very complex password that we change often. And I'm going to go ahead and try and do this first try, maybe. All right, first try, got in. I am going to go ahead and select yes right now to keep myself logged in so I don't keep getting prompted for my password, especially during this video. It'd be nice to not have that interruption. So once I'm into portal.office.com, it presents me with a whole suite of Microsoft applications. To get started right away, it's as simple as just clicking on Outlook. And here we are with the web-based version of Microsoft Outlook. Here are all the emails that I have. I can respond to them, I can forward them, I can open them up, I can move them to other folders that I've already got established within my application. And I can click on a new message and instantly go ahead and typing up a new message to communicate with clients and coworkers. Super easy to be able to accomplish getting access to your email remotely. So let's say I wanted to go back. I'm going to go ahead and click on, in the upper left-hand corner, if you see the 9 dots, it's called the App Launcher. So I'm going to click on the App Launcher, and let's say I wanted to access Microsoft Teams. So I'll go ahead and click Teams. It's asking me, do I want to leave? Yes, I want to go ahead and leave that message. And here I get prompted with 2 choices. It's beautiful because if I wanted to, I could click on Get the Windows app and download the full version of Microsoft Teams on the computer that I'm currently at. But you know what? I'm in a rush right now and I need access to Microsoft Teams. So I'm just going to click on Use the web app instead. And here we are. This will look just like Microsoft Teams that you use on your computer at work, but here we are remotely. I'm clicking on the web-based version of Teams and now I have access to all the teams within my organization. I can click on the different channels, I can click on files just like I did in the office, I can click on the OneNote notebooks, and I can start a conversation and communicate with my team right here in the web-based app for Microsoft Teams. Super simple, super easy. But one last thing, if we go back to the App Launcher, the 9 dots in the upper left-hand corner, and I click on the link Office 365. When I do that, I also have the option to install Office. So what will happen here is when I click on this, it'll prompt me to install the full version of Microsoft Office onto my desktop computer wherever I am, or laptop computer, wherever I am mobile. This will allow me to have the desktop version of Word, Excel, Outlook, the entire suite of Microsoft 365 applications on my computer, easily accessible. And from a licensing perspective, you need to know your license with Microsoft 365 allows you to install the full version of Microsoft Office on up to 5 different devices. So it's no problem here for you to be able to download it on your computer at home, your computer at grandma's, or wherever it is that you might be right now trying to access your Office applications. So we'll go ahead and click on Install Office. And just select the top option, Office 365 Apps. If you look in the bottom left-hand corner, and this will be the same way in Chrome or Edge, it'll show you it's downloading the executable file to install Microsoft Office. I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. And I'm going to answer yes, because I do want to install this application. And here we go. It automatically just starts installing Microsoft Office. This could take up to 5 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, depending on the speed of your computer, depending on the speed of your internet connection. But basically just stay online while Office downloads and follow the prompts. I'll go ahead and fast forward here to get to the end so you can see what the last prompt looks like, but I guarantee you it's super simple, super easy to make this happen. And as you can see, we're all set. Office is now installed on your computer. Now, of course, installation may vary depending on the version of Windows you're running, the age of your computer, and other applications you may already have installed. But just look at the prompts that Office is prompting you to select an option during the installation process and I'm sure you'll be able to work yourself through it and figure it out. But of course, if you can't, as a client of ours, you can just reach out to Sundog Support at 815-991-2400, and one of our engineers will be happy to assist you. Take care and have a great day.